I got to receive this pendant ledge for event purposes. I think they're really nice. They are, as I've seen instructions, really easy to install. It's not a very complicated installation, and they are really nice, very elegant, which is something nice to have. So let's go and open up here. All the accessories. It comes with everything you need to install them. And what is nice about these lamps is you install them upon a slope, so you don't have to worry that your ceiling is inclined or anything like this. Okay, so as you can see, they are ready. They turn on very bright. I like them a lot. I put these two LED bulbs that looks amazing with them. And I like that you can put whatever you want, albeit a kitchen, a mini bar, wherever you want to put them. They are very elegant. I like them a lot. The contrast between the black cap and the glass shaft gives an amazing design. I like them a lot. I would really recommend them. See ya!